am Mukundhan. This is the poem about tele-transformations. I am just wondering, so many groups and networks, innumerable things discussed and debated. Few thoughts certainly useful, rest I just filtered. Facebook, Twitter, Insta, the list never ending. Networking everywhere. Just a second passes. Wow, great, so many. I enhance my creativity. Lot more concepts. I question, I learn, I share. How wonderful! Every reaction on these platforms excites me. I cherish, I enjoy, many motivates me. Few improve my caliber, positives or negatives, appreciation or criticism. I give an awesome attitude. I imbibe what is needed. Rest, my parents will take care. They refine my feedback for my betterment, for my quality performance. I'm a happy soul, so are you? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.